Losing a loved one is one of life's most profound challenges. In the midst of navigating deep grief, you are often faced with overwhelming legal and financial responsibilities that demand your immediate attention.
Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Maine Probate. We understand how daunting this process can feel right now, and our goal is to provide you with a compassionate, clear, and authoritative roadmap to help you through it. Before we begin, please note that the information provided in this video is designed to help you understand the general process. It is intended for educational purposes only and should not be taken as professional legal advice. What exactly is probate? In simple terms, it is the legal process of administering a deceased person's estate in Maine. Probate serves four core functions: legally proving the validity of a will, identifying and inventorying the deceased's assets, paying off remaining debts and taxes, and distributing the assets to the rightful heirs. But why is this process often necessary? First, it legally transfers asset ownership. Without it, you cannot change the name on a real estate deed or access the deceased's bank accounts. Second, it ensures that outstanding debts, medical bills, and final taxes are legally settled. Finally, the probate court provides a formal setting to resolve potential disputes among family members, ensuring fairness. Most importantly, it offers essential legal protection for the estate's executor, shielding them from personal liability as they navigate the complexities of Maine probate law. Let's demystify the Maine probate jargon. The decedent is the person who has passed away. Their estate refers to all the assets and property they left behind. A will is the legal document outlining how those assets are distributed. In Maine, the person appointed to manage this process is called the personal representative, a gender-neutral term for an executor. An heir is a legal inheritor by law, usually family, while a beneficiary is anyone specifically named in a will. Everything is overseen by the probate court, which operates at the county level in Maine. Finally, dying testate means passing away with a valid will in place. Dying intestate means passing without one. Knowing these terms makes navigating Maine probate much less overwhelming. Navigating the Maine probate system isn't a one-size-fits-all process. The state offers several distinct administrative paths depending on the complexity of an estate. First is formal probate. This is the most comprehensive option available. It involves full court supervision and is typically required for complex estates, disputed wills, or situations where heirs are difficult to locate. Alternatively, if the estate is straightforward, uncontested, and has a clearly valid will, informal probate offers a simplified approach. This route requires far less court supervision. It allows the personal representative to manage the estate more independently, which often saves the grieving family a significant amount of time and legal fees. For very small estates, summary administration offers a highly streamlined process. Because the asset value limits for this option can change over time, always check current Maine statutes before filing. Finally, there is the will-only proceeding. If all assets bypass probate completely, this simple filing officially records the will for the future without opening a full administration. Navigating Maine probate is a structured, step-by-step journey. The process officially begins by filing a petition with the probate court in the county where the deceased lived. Finding the correct court is straightforward when you use helpful resources like the Probate US directory. Once filed, the second step is providing formal notice to interested parties, including heirs and known creditors. This ensures everyone is legally aware of the proceedings. Then, the personal representative must conduct a meticulous inventory and appraisal, identifying and valuing all assets, from real estate to personal family heirlooms. After all assets are located and valued, the estate's outstanding debts and taxes must be paid directly using the estate's funds. Only after these obligations are fully met can the remaining assets be distributed to the beneficiaries, either according to the will or Maine's intestacy laws. Finally, the personal representative files a comprehensive final accounting with the court, detailing all the estate's financial transactions. Once approved, the estate is officially closed. By breaking down the process into these 6 steps, navigating Maine probate becomes a much more manageable journey. Losing a loved one is hard, and dying without a valid will, known legally as dying intestate, can add confusion to a stressful time. In Maine, if you pass away intestate, state laws step in to determine exactly how your assets are distributed among your surviving family members.
The distribution depends entirely on your family structure. If you leave behind a surviving spouse and no descendants or parents, your spouse inherits everything. But if you have a spouse and shared children, your spouse receives the first $50,000 plus half the remaining balance, with the rest going to your children. However, if you have children from another relationship, your spouse inherits half of the estate, and your children receive the other half. If there is no surviving spouse, your assets go entirely to your descendants. In cases with no immediate family, the law looks to parents, siblings, or more distant relatives. When navigating probate in Maine, it is important to understand the associated costs, though these will vary from estate to estate. The first expense you will encounter is the court filing fee, which is based on the total value of the estate being probated. You must also account for compensation paid to the personal representative for their time, as well as attorney fees if you choose to hire legal counsel to help guide you through the complex probate process. Other potential costs include appraisal fees for accurately valuing real estate and personal property, premiums if the court requires a probate bond to protect the estate, and publication costs for printing required legal notices to creditors in a local newspaper. Probate in Maine can be time-consuming, but proper planning can help you avoid or simplify the process entirely. A common strategy is joint ownership with right of survivorship. When one owner passes away, the property automatically transfers to the survivor, bypassing probate. You can also use payable on death or transfer on death designations for your bank and investment accounts, ensuring those funds go directly to beneficiaries. Alternatively, a living trust holds your assets securely during your lifetime, keeping them out of the probate court system entirely. Maine also offers simplified small estate procedures for estates under a specific value, reducing paperwork. Finally, consider gifting assets while you are alive to reduce your estate size. Just remember to consult a professional about potential gift tax implications before making transfers. Navigating the Maine probate process is overwhelming, which is why working with a qualified probate attorney is invaluable. A skilled lawyer can analyze your situation and advise on the most efficient type of probate to pursue. From preparing and filing precise court documents to representing you in hearings, an attorney handles the heavy lifting. They seamlessly navigate complex legal hurdles and ensure strict compliance with Maine's specific probate laws. While some worry about the expense, the benefits of legal representation usually outweigh the costs. By preventing costly mistakes and stressful delays, an attorney provides ultimate peace of mind during a difficult time. Navigating the loss of a loved one is never easy, and understanding Maine probate can feel overwhelming. We hope this guide has brought some clarity to the process, the types of probate, associated costs, avoidance strategies, and the value of professional legal guidance. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave any questions in the comments below. For more resources or to locate a local probate court, visit funeralus.com.